Good evening, sir. Santosh, sir. And
Very good evening,
good,
sir.
good evening to all participants. So, this is the third day of our LaTeX workshop. Hoping that the first and second day you have got all the things that have taught by the sir. If you have any query, then ask to sir while session or after session, and try to get the hands-on training while the session is going on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Santosh, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you,
Continue.
sir. Good evening, all dear pastor. I would like to express my gratitude towards respected Dr. S.M. Rokhle, sir, Principal, Sinhgad Institute of Technology, Dr. S.M. Patil, sir, Head of the Department, Computer Engineering Department, Professor S.L. Tambe, sir, Event Coordinator, and Professor S.P. Gunja, sir. I start today's session with how to prepare project report using LaTeX software. Today I cover how to write chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, how to make table of content, how to enter figures, tables, and references in your project document. So now I see you how it possible. Type overleaf.com in your Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Enter. We get a window which is an interference of LaTeX online text editor. Click on login and login with your Gmail ID. Clicking on login in with Google account. Click on this. Okay, select your account. Then we go to the Overleaf Enterprise environment. Click on new project. These are the my previous project. In this left side, click on green button which is for the new project. Click on this green button. After clicking this, we have many options, but select only first option, blank project. Okay, name the project. Today I name this project day 3 of online LaTeX workshop. Online LaTeX workshop at SKN, Sinhgad Institute of Technology, SKN. Okay. Create. Click on create button. After few seconds, you get a LaTeX code, which is inbuilt code. This code generated because I have previous work. Therefore, this code is already present here. But I clear my screen by select all and delete button. Start today's project with our first command \document class. Here there are two options: document class square bracket and then after then curly bracket, and second option is backslash document class and curly bracket. The square bracket is optional, but today I select this first option, and in square bracket I write the font of our text is 12 point. After that, in curly bracket I write a article, therefore select a article. After that, start document our document. Okay, begin document. After that, there is a command begin document. Begin, and select begin and then document. The end command already automatically appear in your document. Okay, but today I want a title for this my article. Therefore, there is some work before begin document command, and this work is after document class backslash type title of article, title, select title, and in curly bracket write the uh, title of our project. I select online 5-day workshop on LaTeX. Okay, our title of today's article is online 5-day workshop on LaTeX. Okay, I type here online 5-day workshop on LaTeX. Here I use some font backslash text. This is a typing language of name LaTeX. Okay, or you simply type here LaTeX. Okay, this is also good. After that, I want author name. Then click author, or okay, author. Okay, the command author already appear in this window. Here there are two options. First option is author, after that square bracket, and after that parenthesis or curly bracket. I choose second option, author, and here I write my name, which is Mr. Santosh Dhamane or Santosh Dhamane. Okay, this is my name because I am today's author of this article. After that, I want a date. Then select option date. Here, choose date. After that, in parenthesis, there are many choices to write a date, but I choose simple command today backslash today, and after that, this is this three command appear before the begin document because I want title, author name, and date. Okay, therefore this appear before the backslash begin document command. Okay, after that, in document I want my title, therefore here we type a simple command make title, make title, make title. Okay, make title, select this make title. Okay, and run program. Click on recompile. Okay, our output appear on right side screen, which is the output screen. Online 5-day workshop on LaTeX. Author name is Santosh Dhambane and today's date is October 11, 2023. Okay. This is a output of this. Okay. Here I want a title, therefore give a command \title in parenthesis or curly bracket online 5-day workshop on LaTeX. After that \author Santosh Dhambane in curly bracket write your name \date and in parenthesis or curly bracket write \today. After that there is a command begin document and make title. Okay. After that I want a page for table of content. Table of content. Table of content. Table of contents. Table of contents. Okay. After that I want section. Okay. So select section. Okay. Already the code appear after clicking first few letters. Section. In section I write this is my first or introduction. This is a first section for introduction. Okay. Run this program by clicking on recompile button. We get a new output which is okay. If you see online 5-day workshop on LaTeX, name of author Santosh Dhambane, October 11, 2023. Content. This table of content content only first section which is introduction, and there is a first section introduction and which appear on page first. This is a page number. Okay. If you see they already take the page number 1. This appear on page 1. Okay. After that introduction, write your introduction. I write here. Okay. Okay. This is only section. After that I want a subsection. Then click next line subsection. Subsection. Okay. Compile again. My subsection is my name. Okay. Compile it. Okay. We get in introduction our subsection is 1.1, which is my name or project of name. Okay. My name. Introduction 1.1 my name. Okay. After that I want a subsection. Subsection. Okay. Subsection. Okay. Select subsection. In this I want my college name. Then type here college name and compile it by clicking on recompile button. We get 1.1.1 because this is a subsection of section 1.1 1.1.1, and in table of content it is automatically 1.1.1 college name and it appears on page first. After that I also want my address. Therefore, I click here subsection, and write here address. Okay. Compile this. We get new output which contains first section is introduction. In introduction, point 1 is 1.1 my name. After that, 1.1.1 college name, and 1.1.2 is address. Okay. After that, I want a subsection, that is 1.2, which contains your profile or your achievement or my achievement. Okay, my achievement. Okay, I type my achievements. There is spelling mistake something. Okay. Recompile it.
फुल एचडी वर चालू आहे इकडे.
We get second section, first section, second subsection 1.2 my achievements, and after that give the details of this by selecting, okay, section, and after section add a star and write your name. My name is Santosh Dhamune. Recompile this. We get new output. Okay. My name is Santosh Dhamane. Okay. For this is also possible here. Okay. Control B. My name Santosh Dhamane. Okay. After that, this subsequent section is for college name. Then I type here subsection star and college name Arts, Commerce and Science College. Onde. After that, for new line, click on double backslash. Okay. Taluka Vikramgarh. District Palghar. And compile it. We get a new output. Okay, college name Arts, Commerce and Science College. Okay, this table of contents is not affected or will be not affected by any command given in this section command. Okay, college name Arts, Commerce and Science College Onde, Taluka Vikramgarh. I want this command, this college name or my name is in bold font. Then type. Okay, I tell you after that how to change your fonts, italic or bold. Okay. In this section, then subsection address, I type here. Okay, my address is district Thane. Okay, Thane. Okay. My achievement subsection my achievement. Okay, section, this section star a member of project 100. Okay, project 100. Recompile it. We get a new output which contains title of our article online 5-day workshop on LaTeX. My name is author name is Santosh Damane. Today's date October 11. This is a table of content and all by other things. Introduction, my name, college name, address, and my achievement goes to page 2. This is a page number for your right side. This is a page number, and this is a material for page 2. Now I want a new section, which is a section second, introduction. Okay, section second. Okay, section second. Second section is click section and right here section second for introduction. After that we write abstract. Right here abstract. Compile it. We get a second section with name abstract. Okay, and table of content changes to first section introduction. In this first section there are two subsections, 1.1 and 1.2. In first subsection there are two subsection, which is college name and address. Okay, these are the type of document, table of content, and we add your two content, two section, introduction and abstract. In abstract we write subsection. Okay, in this we write subsection. After that click subsection, and in this your project title, your project title. After that write subsection with subsection which contains tools used in your project. After that this subsection, I also have a second subsection, subsection which contains cost of your project. After that I want a subsection for software use. Use in project, in my print project. After that I want second subsection, subsection for hardware requirement. Okay, compile your program and we get a new output. This is a second section which contains first subsection 2.1 your portal. After that 2.1 tools used in your project, 2.1.2 cost of your project, 2.2 software used in project, and 2.1 hardware requirement. Okay, and table of content contains this second section abstract, 2.1 your project title, 2.1.1 tools used in your project, 2.2 cost of your project, software used in your project. You write all information here by typing, but here I only use a new command or simple command, blind text. Okay, and this same that this software say that here for using blind text command you use a package blind text. So first I insert the package before begin document and after document class, which is backslash use package blind text. Okay, this is optional because I have no material to type here, therefore I choose the blind text for adding material in this section. Okay, this is optional, this is not important for you, but here I have no material, therefore I here only write blind text, or I type a command blind text and compile it. I have a data in my abstract section which is like this. Okay, if you see, this is a data. Okay, in abstract I type lorem. Okay, this is not important, this is only for your reference how to add a data, but this is abstract. Okay, I choose one abstract from Google. Google.com and computer project. Okay, this is the one. Okay, I choose this material for abstract, so I here copy from Google document by selecting this material using mouse, clicking on left button and Control C, and paste this on your abstract section. Where is abstract? Okay, this delete blank text key and paste here your material. Copy from Google and recompile it. We get the same material here. Okay, computer science skills are a highly sought after skill test. Okay, computer science skills are highly sought after skills, and this is copied from Google and copy to your LaTeX code. Okay, you got it. Okay, is anyone have problem with this? Okay, subsection I use the command blind text and copy this blind text command all over in subsection. Control V, Control V, Control V, and Control V. Compile it. Compile your LaTeX code by clicking recompile button. We get a your new output which contains name of project or name of project online 5-day workshop on LaTeX Santosh Dhamane October 11 2000. This is the date. Contents introduction. This is first section. In first section there are two subsection 1.1 and 1.2. In first subsection there are two subsection which is college name and address. Okay. In second section abstract there are two subsection which is your project title and software used in project. In first subsection there are two subsection which is tools used in your project and cost of your project. Okay, and this is a page 1. And in introduction appears on page 2, my name appears on page 2, but your project title and on abstract goes to page 3rd. Okay, your project title and this download this by clicking on here is a key for downloading your project. Okay, download PDF. Click on download PDF. We get output in your download section. Okay, day 3. Click on this. This is our output, and this is the output of today's session. Okay, like this, you write a whole book or project. This is very simple. Okay, I copy this source code from menu. Click on menu button. Click on menu button. Click on source button. Okay, source. Click on source. This source download in download session. Okay, click on date 3. Okay, then we find your source code. I copy this from LaTeX code section by placing Control.
Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. Continue.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, good evening, all of you. I continue my session with sharing screen of overleaf, and this PDF is the output of day 3 of today's session. The title of our project is Online 5-Day Workshop on LaTeX. Author name is Santosh Dhamane, and today's date is October 11 2023. The table of contents contain two sections. First section for introduction, second section for abstract. In first section there are two subsection, 1.1 my name and 1.2 is my achievement. In first subsection there are two subsection which contains college name and address, and in second section there are two subsection, and in first subsection there are two subsection which contains uh, section 2.1 is your project title, and in project title there are two subsection which contains tool used in your project, and second is cost of your project. Okay, and second section contains second subsection 2.2 which is a software used in your project, and this is the data in you data of your project or article, like this. Okay, after that I also want a third section for I want third section third section I want third section third flow chart. Okay, flow chart. Then click on next line and enter a code section. Okay, section is this section for flow chart. This contain a flow chart. Okay, After that, I want a new section which contains, it is a section 4. Okay, I want section 4 for tables. Okay, it is for tables and calculation. Okay. After that, select a section, new section, by entering a key section. In section, write tables. After that, in this subsections, in this section we require one subsection which contains calculation. Okay. Now we have 4 section. Compile this and see your output. Okay, our output changes to, okay, table of contents. Okay, there is error, some error. There is error. Okay, no error, sorry. Okay, section 3 for flowchart appear on page 4, and section 4 for tables, and in section tables there is a subsection which contains your calculation. Okay, okay, I have no flowchart. In tomorrow's lecture, I show you how to make a flowchart. Okay, using use a package TIGZ package. Okay, into this section, I only here make a one table by using a command begin tabular. Okay, in yesterday's section, we see how to make a table by using a begin tabular command. Begin table. Okay, I require here 5 columns. Okay, 5 columns. Therefore, here we write 5 entries and. Okay, first entries, it is a serial number. Okay, after that we want, don't have idea, ISO code, or okay, I give here name A, B, C, and D. After that, I want a horizontal line. There, click on H line. Okay, and there are entries in this which are like this. Control C, Control V, 5, 4, 3, 2, and this is the first serial number first. Okay, after that trace H line or H line or horizontal line. Okay, compile it, we get a table which contains 5 column and 1 row. Okay, we get a error, and this is not a suitable output because there is, we require a package for this which is a Which package? Use package. Array. Use package? Array. Okay. Recompile it. Okay. Height. Okay. Before the serial number, we want a horizontal line. Click here, H line. Recompile it. We get a table. Okay. I want some few rows. This is very simple. Copy this code 7 times. Then we get 7 row. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay. We get how many rows? First rows. This is a second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, and seventh row. Okay. Recompile it. We get 7 rows in your table. Okay, this is a this table contains 7 row, but you see the column, this table are not appear in center. Therefore, give a command, simple command, centering. Okay, by center. Okay, center or centering. Recompile it. Okay, you see this table go to center. Okay. And you also see that this 4.1 goes to center. Therefore, change this command by using begin center, and end center, and in between this type your table details. Okay, Control C and sorry, cut and paste in between this. Okay, recompile it. Okay, we get a new output in which table goes to center, and the 4.1 calculation is appear on left side of your table. Okay, left side of your page. Okay, these are the session on how to add a table of contents, then session, uh, subsession, and subsession. Okay, is anyone have a problem? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ लीजिए, उसके बाद मैं आपको चैप्टर कैसे ऐड करना है बोलने वाला हूँ. हाउ टू ऐड अ चैप्टर इन योर प्रोजेक्ट. Please ask your problem or doubt.
Okay, sir. Continue, sir. Santosh. Yeah.
Okay. Now in this section, I want to add a chapter. Okay. Then how to add a chapter? Before this first session, this is our first session.
Santosh sir, please
Yes.
paste,
So,
paste this code in a chat box, please.
no, sir, this is not possible because this is a very long code. But I paste this is in your LaTeX group, WhatsApp LaTeX group. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, yes. Listen.
I paste this code chat box of our WhatsApp group. Okay. Copy this or Control A, Control C in our group LaTeX. Control V. Okay, sir. Copy this code from WhatsApp to your overlay LaTeX editor LaTeX editor window. Then get your output by editing all details, author name, all these. We get your project. Okay. I want to add a chapter name before this. Okay. Uh, this is the first section of your document. Section first. Okay. In first section, I want a name of chapter. Before this subsection section and after table of content, select a command backslash chapter backslash chapter. Okay, chapter, and give a name of chapter. This chapter, I click type here chapter 1. Chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1. After that, before section second, I want chapter second. So type here chapter second. Okay, copy this code, or there is no need to copy because this is a short key. Before section 3, type backslash chapter. This is a chapter 3. After section 3 and before section 4, I want this is a chapter 4. This I want to give a name chapter 4. Therefore, click chapter, and this is chapter 4. Sorry, chapter 4. Chapter 4. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. This is chapter 2. There are 4 chapters in this document. Compile this LaTeX code. We get a new output which contains nothing, because we got a error. This red button shows you there is a error in this document. Which what is the error? Undefined control sequence. This is not a defined code between this document, because of here we want user. This is not a article. This is a change this article by change article by. Okay, listen carefully. Change article by report. This is a project report. Okay, after changing this article to replace article to report, we get a new output. Okay, recompile it and see what happened. There are many changes. Okay, online 5-day workshop on LaTeX. Santosh Dambani is the author of today's workshop, October 11, 2000. This is the today's date. After that, this contains this contain chapter 1. Oh, because chapter. Yes. Okay, this is a chapter command takes default values. Therefore, there is no need to write chapter 1. Okay, compile it. Chapter 1. Okay, and table of content also changes. There is a first section converted to introduction, and there is a chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1, chapter 3, and chapter 4. Okay, okay. In today's report, there are 4 chapter and many section and many subsections. Okay, convert this to book by clicking only. Okay, I want to download this output by clicking download PDF. Okay, click on download PDF. Your output goes to download section. Open it. Okay, this is the output of today's session up to 7 p.m. Okay, okay. Is anyone have any problem? Please ask me. Okay, I copy this code to your subsection. In chapter first, we have two sections, section introduction and section chapter 1 introduction. Yes, Santosh Dhamane. What is the okay? I delete the star sign because okay, recompile. Okay, there are two section 1.1 introduction 1.2. Okay, this is correct. Recompile it. Okay, there are two subsection in first section. First, okay, there is chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1. Chapter 1. Okay, this is the correct code. Okay, what? There is a mistake. Okay, we got it. Chapter 1 introduction. Section 1.1 introduction, section 1.2, section 1.3, okay, and section 1.4. Chapter 2, but in chapter 2 there are two section, therefore there is some error in this section, subsection, okay, there is no other section. In chapter 3 there is only one section, there are two subsection. One is chapter 3 contains section 1 flowchart. Chapter 4 contains two section. First is section tables. Okay, this is correct. Table. After that, I make this is a section calculation. Recompile. In chapter 4, there are two subsection. Recompile again. Okay, there are two section. In chapter 4, there are two section tables and calculations. Okay. This is chapter first, chapter. After that, I want a new section which contains, or chapter 5. Chapter 5. Chapter. The name of chapter, chapter 5. This is chapter tables and calculation. No, and not is, and is a special symbol in LaTeX. Tables and calculation. Okay. And chapter 3 is flowchart. Chapter 2 for abstract. Okay. And chapter 5 for, this is chapter for conclusion. In this conclusion, there is a nothing, therefore I here type blind text. There is a no subsection required or section required in chapter conclusion. Therefore, recompile it. We get a new output like this. Okay, this is a name of your project. After that page, there is a page for table of contents, chapter 1, which contains introduction. This is the first section. After that, there is a Santosh. Okay, this is a subsection. Okay, there is nothing. Chapter 2 contains abstract. Chapter 3 for flowchart. Okay, there is a name. Okay, this is a new output. Chapter 1. After that, abstract. Chapter 3 for flowchart. Chapter 4 for table and calculation. And chapter 5 is a conclusion. Okay, and we see this is a output of your this is your new output. Chapter 5. Okay, here is a chapter. Chapter 5 conclusion. Okay. After that, I have to tell you how to change your font of your LaTeX document. Okay. In conclusion, section, replace blind text by a line. Please ask a question or your doubt in chat section. Not chat box. Okay, chat box. Recompile it. Okay, this is the output of please ask a question or your doubt in chat box. But I want this line in bold font. Therefore, copy this and give a new line. After that, enter a new command backslash text. Okay, the options appear in your screen. There are many options. Oh, sorry. Backslash text. Okay, this is text for bold font, italic, text width, text syntax, text or text T. Here I write text in bold font. Copy your line in this curly bracket. We get a new output. Recompile it. Okay, if you see the first line, please ask a question or your doubt in chat box goes to or converted into bold font. Please ask a question on your doubt in chat box. I want underline for this line. Therefore, give a command backslash underline okay, underline underline curly bracket in between this paste your line and recompile it. Okay. After that, I want a new line command. Recompile it. If you see, this line is a question or your doubt in chat box, but the font changes to normal font. But I want this is a bold font. Okay, give a command backslash text bold font be up. Okay, in between this, open first bracket and close bracket here and recompile it. You see your line in bold font and as a underline. Okay, I want this line in italic font. Okay, in italic font. Copy this and paste to next line or new line. Give a command backslash text italic font and paste your line here. We get a new output. Recompile it. The line converted into bold, italic, and underlined. All three commands due to this. This is a bold and italic and underline command. So this is very simple. How to bold your text or changes its font italic to any other format by giving a command. Okay. If you want impaging text, then give a command backslash em emph and copy your line here. We get a new output. Give a new line. Okay, if you see the change happens here. Okay, I don't want this is a bold font, but this in bold font. Therefore, edit bold font and underline also. recompile it. Okay, no, there is no change in this. Okay, these are fonts in overlap. Okay, many fonts are available in LaTeX format, but these are the some examples. Okay, for details, we search on your stack exchange website or overlap website for more details. Okay, is anyone have any problem? Please ask me or ask a question. किसी को कोई समझ रहा है तो पूछ लो, हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है क्योंकि हम कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट कल पूरा. हाउ टू मेक अ फ्लो चार्ट एंड कलरिंग अ टेबल. ओके, मुझे कोई सैंपल प्रोजेक्ट भेजो, मैं उसमें वो ही यहाँ बना के बताऊंगा, पूरा कॉपी पेस्ट करूंगा, मुझे सिर्फ सॉफ्ट कॉपी भेजो. If anyone have a sample project, please send me. I told how to convert it in your project by editing your names and content in this in project. Okay. अभी एक मिनट बाकी है तो ये सेशन खत्म होने वाला है. मैंने इस न्यू सेशन ज्वाइन करूंगा. अगर 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लेता हूँ उसके बाद मैं ज्वाइन करूंगा. ओके, आई टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 5 मिनट्स. आफ्टर दैट आई कंटिन्यू योर our next session.
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes.
yes, sir, which contains some new information, how to use coloring in your table and how to add a figures.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay.
Please continue.
Good evening, all of you. Thank you for rejoining tomorrow's session. Thank you very much. Okay, I will continue by clicking a new project. Okay, click on new project. I want a blank project. Project name, project report. Report. Create. Okay. Delete all. Okay. Start with by giving a command document class with font 12 point, paper size A4 paper. Okay, and I want a report. Okay, after that insert huge package for table array. After that give a new package, huge package, graphics for entering for inserting images. Okay, okay. After that give a command begin document begin document. Before this begin document, I want a title. Okay, I want a title. So give a command title. Title. And title is project on control of traffic signal or controlling title of project is controlling traffic using machine learning. Okay, controlling traffic using machine learning. Okay, this is a machine learning. Okay, after that, this is the title of your project. After that, I want a name of author. Name of author. Author of this project is, or your project guide is Professor S.L. Tambe sir. Okay, S.L. Tambe. Assistant Professor. This is a or new line. Assistant Professor. Computer Engineering Department. Computer Engineering Department of Sinhgad Institute of Technology. Okay. And date is date. This is optional. Date I take here today. Okay, compile. Okay, sorry. After that, in begin document, our first command is make title. Make title. Make title. Compile it. We get a new output which contains name of your project. Okay, name of our project is controlling traffic using machine learning. The author name is Professor S.L. Tambe, Assistant Professor, Computer Engineering Department, Sinhgad Institute of Technology, and date is October 11, 2023. After that, I want a table of content. Table of content. Table of content. Contents. Okay, table of contents. I think it's correct spelling. Table of CON. Okay. I check after if you have any error. Backslash. Our first chapter is chapter. Name of chapter is introduction. Okay, first chapter is introduction. Next chapter is what is the next chapter? I think literature survey. In this literature survey, I want two subsections. One first section for research paper or name of website. Okay. And section second for name of libraries. Okay, name of libraries. After that, service. Server. Libraries. Okay. After that, I want a next chapter for flowchart. After flowchart, the next chapter is new chapter, tables and figures. Okay. In this chapter, there are two subsections. Two section. Section first, tables. In this section, there are two subsection. First is table 1. After that, another subsection. Sorry, section. Okay, this is a section. Another section which contains. Okay, I want subsection. Sorry, subsection. Subsection table 2. Okay. After that, I want a new section which contains figures. In figures, I want two figure or I have two figures. Therefore, click subsection figure 1 and another subsection for figure 2. Copy this. Control C. Subsection figure 2. This is the outline of our project. Okay. This is in left side. You see how your file contains introduction, literature survey, name of websites, name of libraries, flowchart, table of figures, tables, table 1, table 2, figures, figure 1, figure 2, and last chapter is chapter result. After that, there is a new chapter for references. Okay, this is the outline of our project. Compile it. I hope there is no error in this program. I got a output which contains name of project, controller, controlling traffic. Okay, using machine learning. Professor S.L. Tambe sir, Assistant Professor, Comprehensive Department, Sinhgad Institute of Technology, October 11, 2023. Okay. Contents introduction. Second chapter is this is a first chapter introduction. Chapter 2, literature survey. In literature survey, sorry, literature survey. Literature survey. literature survey, there are two section: name of websites, name of libraries. Third section, flow chart. After that, chapter 4, table and figures. In chapter 4, there are two sections: 4.1 tables and 4.2 figures. In first section, there are two subsections: table 1, table 2, figures, figure 1, figure 2. Okay. In table section, I want two tables. Therefore, insert here two tables. Sorry. In section, this section, I want two tables. Begin with tabular. Begin tabular key. Begin tabular command. Okay. I want a first table with 5 columns. Okay. These are 5 columns. After that, I want a horizontal line. H line. After that, first column for serial number. Okay. Second column for product A details. After that, product B details. After that, product C details. After that, I want the product details. There are 5 columns. After that, give a new line and H line. Okay. After that, there are 4 rows in this table. Therefore, enter here and 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 space and space. Okay, there are 5 output: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this new line. Copy this code. After that, I want a horizontal line 2 times. Okay. After this serial line, I want double horizontal line. Click horizontal line. After that, I want a one horizontal line. Each line. Okay. Copy this 4 times. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay. Recompile it. We get a table with 5 columns and 6 rows. Chapter 1, introduction. Okay, if you see, the introduction part is blank because I don't type any material between these. Okay, chapter 2, literature survey, name of websites, name of libraries. These are so blank. Flow chart is blank. Chapter 4 contains some data, which is a table 1, serial number ABCD, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, 6 rows, total 6 rows and 5 columns. Okay, but I want this table at a middle. At a middle. Therefore, begin center. Begin center. Copy this code between this begin center command. Begin tabular and in tabular, cut this, cut and paste. Recompile it. We get a new table which is appear on the middle of the page. Okay. Now copy this code begin center to end center to table. After table 2, copy and enter or delete one column. Okay. Delete one column. We get a new table which contains 3 columns, or sorry, 4 columns and 6 rows. Okay. Okay, table 2 contains only 4 columns and table first contain 5 columns. Okay, this is only a copy paste work. After that, I want to insert a figure 1. Okay, figure 1, but I have no figure, therefore search figures on your website. Okay, graphs. Okay, there is a source. I copy. Okay, click on this image. This is the image of computer. Save this image on your desktop. Save image as. Okay, save image. Okay, save image. This is a name of computer image. Computer image. Okay, computer image, and change format JPG to. Oh, sorry, there is no option of PNG option. PNG file is better for reducing data. JPG require more data than the PNG type. Okay, but here is no option. Therefore, I take a JPG image. Save on your desktop. Okay, I save in desktop. Desktop computer. Save. Go to your LaTeX code. In LaTeX code, click on. Here there are some option: menu, home, and upgrade. Below this, there are many options. First is new file, new folder, and after new folder, there is one option which contains a upload button. Okay, if you see, there is a name upload. Click on upload button and select your file from computer or drag here. I select from computer. Okay, and this file I on a desktop. Therefore, click on desktop and select your computer image. Open it. Okay. Then this name appear here. Okay, computer image on your left side of file name and this side. Therefore, this figure include in figure 1. Therefore, click here and give a command backslash include graphics. Okay, include graphics. I choose here first command which contains square bracket. This square bracket is optional in all commands. Okay, but here I choose this because I need this. Click on the name of computer image or okay, recompile it. So you got a new output which contains figure of computer, but the size of image you want this image in middle side. Therefore, give a command centering. Okay, centering. Recompile it. Okay, this figure was at middle, but you want to change the size of this image. Therefore, in square bracket, type scale is equal to, here I take 0.90. Okay, 0.90. Then what? See what happened. Okay, the images changes or not changes, I don't know. Okay, I change the scale to 10.10. Okay, then image goes to, okay, the size of image changes to very small. Okay, this is very small, therefore I change it to 30 and recompile it. Okay, the figure appear on figure 1, and the size of figure is 0.30 em. Okay, the scale unit is em. Okay, in figure 2 I want to include a flyer of our workshop. Then click on upload button, select from your computer. This flyer appear in my this folder AS234, and there is a LaTeX workshop folder in which there is a flyer of our workshop, SKN LaTeX workshop. After subsection figure 2, give a command includes graphics. Again select this command. After that, the name appears automatically, and select scan latex workshop.jpg. Okay, compile it. If you see, this image goes outside our page or page margin. Therefore, give a scale, and here I take a scale 50.50, sorry, 0.50, 0.50. Recompile it. Okay, the images resizes and it like this. Okay, this is this image, therefore I change the size or scale of this image at 0.10. Sorry, this is very small, therefore I changes it to 0.50 and give a centering command. Recompile it. We get a new command, new image like this. Okay, I change this font of this, it's 0.40. Recompile it. Okay, this is the image of our flyer. Okay, I want logo on first page. What I do here, this is the first page, and I want a logo before name of our author or project guide. Then what I do, only simply click okay before author, simply clicks include graphics, or include logo. I think logo option is available. Okay, include graphics, and search the code of Sinhgad College. Sinhgad. I got a logo. Download it on your desktop. Okay. Download. Where is download button? Okay. There is no download button. Therefore, save image as. SKN logo. SKN logo on desktop. Save it. Go to your project, and here type first upload your images. Upload. the logo of our college, SKR. SKN logo, open it. Type here SKN logo.jpg, recompile it. Okay, we get a new output, but the size of logo is very big, therefore give a scale is equal to point 20 or 10. Recompile it. See, disappear before page first, therefore okay, so delete this, cut and paste it on this is on the before chapter first. What happened? Okay, this appear on second page, but I want this on first page. Okay, I want because this happen because they require a new package. Okay, okay. In today's session, I tell you how to add a logo by giving adding a new packages. So today I did this command. Okay, but I tell you how to change your font size. Okay, in introduction, I want to change size of your text and I select this text. Control V, Sinhgad College of Engineering. Compile it. In tomorrow's session, I tell you how to add references and add a logo and many more. Okay. Okay. Introduction. We got a Sinhgad College of Engineering, but the size of this I want another font size. Therefore, I click on tiny font size changes through same letter. Okay, changes this size to tiny. Okay, tiny. Click on Control V, recompile it. The size changes to very small because this is a tiny size. Command tiny size. Okay, I want large. So give a command backslash large, a small large. Okay, large, and paste your line, a college name. Recompile it.